Collective nouns. What are collective nouns? Collective nouns are words used to describe a group of people, animals, or things as a single unit. Birds. A flock of birds. A flock of birds flew across the morning sky. Fish. A school of fish, or a show of fish. A school of fish swam past our boat. Grapes. A bunch of grapes. She brought a bunch of grapes for lunch. Dogs. A pack of dogs. A pack of dogs barked at the stranger. Bats. A cauldron of bats. A cauldron of bats flew out at night. Bees. A swarm of bees. A swarm of bees buzzed around the flowers. Tigers. A streak of tigers. A streak of tigers walked through the forest. Soldiers. An army of soldiers. An army of soldiers marched past. Dolphins. A pod of dolphins. A pod of dolphins swam beside the boat. Geese in flight. A skein of geese. A skein of geese flew in V-shape. Geese on land. A gaggle of geese. A gaggle of geese walked beside the pond. Foxes. A skulk of foxes. A skulk of foxes crept through the bushes. Stars. A cluster of stars. A cluster of stars sparkled in the night sky. Singers. A choir of singers. A choir of singers performed at the concert. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to Arso Academy, and not forget to hit the bell icon for more educational content.